You gather every broken feather from wings that tried and failed to fly. You touch the wounds we try to cover and breathe our scattered hearts to life. You count the stars we never notice, call each one by a hidden name. If you remember all that distance, you remember all my shame. Praise the Lord who heals the hurting. Praise the one who calls us home. He crowns the clouds with rain and mercy, and lifts the lowly, holds his own. You bind our scars with steadfast kindness. You sing above our trembling song. Praise the Lord who heals the hurting. Praise the Lord who makes us strong. You're not impressed by how we're running, by what we build with fragile hands. You hear the quiet heart that's trusting more than all our careful plans. You dress the fields in gifts of color, feed the sparrow, feed my soul. If grass and birds are never worried, why should I fear what's unknown? Praise the Lord who heals the hurting. Praise the one who calls us home. He crowns the clouds with rain and mercy, lifts the lowly, holds his own. You bind our scars with steadfast kindness. You sing above our trembling song. Praise the Lord who heals the hurting. Praise the Lord who makes us strong. You rebuild the gates we shattered, lift the doors we thought were done. You delight in those who trust you more than strength, more